All right. Got another episode today. Fix the light. So we're back on the red table. This one's a healthcare related question again. What is my vitamin schedule for this week? All right. What is my vitamin schedule for this week? New light's a bit brighter. Back to the purple pen too. Still haven't switched out the black one. So I gotta work on that. But for now, we have a health related question. These are fun to ask. So, okay. Start off the usual way. So I'm gonna run this pen down until it dies, and then I'll go run and get the other one. But I wanna use it all up, maximize the resource, you know. All right. So what is my vitamin schedule for this week? So we know the vitamin here, of course, is a health drug. Schedule, of course, is for. I'm just gonna say week. Obviously, we have the week. Usually, these are done through daily intake. Normally, you have something that's like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then, you know, inside there, each one has, you know, 1, 2, 3, whatever. It has different types of pills. Etc. And these are all inside your box. So when we're asking about what is my vitamin schedule for this week, what we're really asking about is like how else, or many vitamins am I taking tomorrow, next day, etc. And then what time am I taking them at? So, how many vitamins am I taking tomorrow, next day, etc. What is the time? What time? So it's kind of a quantity versus time. So what we're really designing for is this. Okay, cool. All right. So ways that we can visualize this. Let's break this down a little bit. So what if we took the daily box and what are the problems with this? Or as the design thinking people like to call it, pain points. Okay. Well, first off, it's physical. You know, have to refill, doesn't alert when time to consume. And you know, physical stuff gets old, aka dirty, breaks, becomes unreliable is the best way to put it. You know what? What do I have here for other pens? Let's see if these work. No, that one's completely dead. Don't want to be aggravated by having to continue to refresh these. I'll refresh what I write. Tell you what, we'll muscle through. Oh yeah. Anyways, comes unreliable. And then other systems. For example, you just have vitamin box. And it's just got like, you know, it's a tub. Problems and pain points. is you have labels, which are hard to read. You also have too many vitamins. And you also have no way to remember how many you took. That can be dangerous. So what we need is some sort of system. Let's write down solutions of these. We'll write down in a writing form. We need a after this page I'll get a new pen. What is needed? Alright, so we need a non-physical either constantly refillable or infinitely refillable, or maybe just take the refilling part out. You need a system that basically allows you to use these resources where you will inevitably have, or maybe you can have a dispenser. Dispenser type. Dispenser type. Alerting. Labelless. Labelless or accurate and short. Quantitated or that falls under the dispenser type. Log system. This is what we need. What is needed, aka our solution. Okay, I'm going to go run and get another pen. Throw this one out. I will return momentarily. All right, new pen. I use the Unipens from Uniball Vision Elite. Just picked them up from the store. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite what we're looking for and then figure out what we're going to make. It's always very important to define your question. So, we're looking to make a, oh, that feels good. Our solution is a non-physical dispenser alerting label-less / accurate. Gotta respell that over here. Accurate and short. Log system. Okay, so this is a heavy task, especially all of this basically equates to an app. And remember, we're here in the design sprint business, so we're not making apps. We're making features and exercises that help us think about things better. So let's see. I'm going to do a feature of this app that I have in my mind in a way that makes so I can do some short execution work and I don't make something too big. So what I'll do is I will take, I'm going to say this app exists. I'll just call this Vita Bro, you know, your bro for responsible and good vitamin practice. Okay, VitaBro. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. In order to even start a user flow from here, I need to figure out a process that I'm going to take. So the question, like we said before, what is my vitamin schedule for this week? Let's say we have a calendar, okay? And calendar, easy. Well, the thing about calendars is they can look a lot of ways. So you have your classic March. Then you have all your months. And you have your days. Pardon the air it's turning on. It might be loud. I'll speak up. Okay, and then from here you have a week. So this view here, this is too big. What we want to do is make something that's a little bit smaller. So within the calendar view, you can also have weeks. You're going to have week of 25th through 1st. So it's 1st of March. And from here you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what if you look at this, this looks similar to physical dispenser. Okay, I have just got an idea. This is a good start. This is similar to the physical dispenser. So what if we were to take this and digitize this process some way. Digitize it. So now, what we can do is we can take something that does exist, the physical dispenser. We can remove the process. We will keep the process of opening it and consuming information. But we don't have to create a new dispenser. We can build an alerting system. We have a log that can just be stored in data, and information consumed on the phone is quick and easy. So let's see. Here's my idea. I just got this. This is why you write down what works, what doesn't work, and how things are currently happening, and your ideas will come flooding in. So what if we did something like a digital, I'm just going to call this a digital dispenser matcher, or a log timesheet. And the cool thing about these is these all reflect the physical process onto the mobile experience. And with the mobile experience, this is something a lot of people are familiar with. Also, it's extremely easy. When built well, extremely easy to operate. So, okay, extremely easy to operate. So what we do here is we somehow take this, make it digital, and then find a way to match. And that'll help answer our question, what is my vitamin schedule for this week? Cool. So how would this look? How would your use case look? So you'd start off with this idea of, obviously you have your question. What is my vitamin schedule this week? Put this in a circle. And this vitamin schedule, we're gonna place this on an application of sorts. So you will open VitaBro. And then you'll also open/scan something for schedule. And from this scanning something for the schedule, you can find out, we'll have your digital dispenser displayed. You have a digital dispenser displayed. We'll probably show in further details on this. And then you'll also have your log of days used / taken vitamins and upcoming days plus current day, of course. Okay, cool. Now from here, I want to do something like I was saying here, where we can have your digital dispenser on a log or timesheet somehow reflect the physical process onto the mobile experience. So I want to do something involving the physical block, the dispenser that you have, and well, let's see. So you have your physical block. You can open the pieces, and from here, I want to be able to scan something on this that'll allow me to see the schedule, just in case maybe I've closed all the tabs, or just in case I forgot where I'm at, or just like to see how much of whatever I have in order to take remaining. But I'm trying to I think I'm getting a little confused myself about what I'm trying to solve here. This question of what is my vitamin schedule for this week, it is in front of you physically, but because of errors in taking medication, this question kind of broadens out, and I want to solve maybe for a more specific solution. So obviously you ask your question, you open your VitaBro, you scan something, probably this vitamin block. Your digital dispenser to be displayed in the log of days used, taken vitamins, upcoming days. The current day will be displayed. But I want to do something. I want to do something more. So as well as this, you'll have amount of each pill remaining. Displayed digitally, so we have diagonals. And then we'll also have some sort of notification system built in. I want to do that. But maybe this is too surface level. Thinking. Let's see. Oh, we scan, digital dispenser displayed, log of days taken, and amount of each pill remaining. Tell you what, let's leave it at that, and let's just create a good log system. We can go down the rabbit hole of a specific use case even farther. This would be your use case for question in VitaBro. Okay, so let's create for our drawing solution the digital dispenser. Just gonna show you here. Digital dispenser, and then the log somehow incorporated. Maybe this will all be displayed too. Let's see, digital dispenser. Digital dispenser, log, and amount of pills. So let's start off pretty basic. Let's see. What I want to have up here is I want to have a 3D pill dispenser. Okay. And obviously, you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you have your side view, top view, whatever. Horribly put together, you get the idea. I want this displayed up here. And then down below, I want some sort of schedule. But the idea of a calendar, this just seems to, and like a highlight. It seems like it doesn't work cohesively. I'm going to show some way that we have like, I'm going to have my pillbox up here. Maybe you have these 1, 2, 3, 4. You have these ones open. These ones are closed. You get the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you show the ones that are open, aka used, and show the ones that are closed. And this is up and coming. A cool thing about this too is that we have a big visual space, so maybe we can display future information. So you have your days on the top. Well, those don't really matter when it comes to the digital space because you won't be able to see the top. So what if we did something like we took this and we made it like this? Yeah, these ones open. These are closed. Open. Close. Okay, so you have your open tabs, your closed ones. And you don't need to write that they're open. You don't need to write that they're closed. It's visually tells more than words. Because if someone can see that there's a tab open, that means they have logged it and it is confirmed. So these will be open. You have your days listed below. Sorry, I was getting a text at the same time. I was just reading. Not focusing very well, I'm sorry. apologize. The visual tells a lot more than the physical. So your physical object can be closed all the way. It could be off in the corner of the room, but you know because of your log what you've had. So then this room down here, I want to do something involving like a do something like oh, it's Saturday, it doesn't matter, it's just Sunday. My bad. I want to either do a vertical way of seeing your week. This is a vertical week. Or I want to do something similar to this. I want to do a horizontal week. And the horizontal week is nice, but it doesn't take up a lot of space. And in a system this simple, as in taking your pills, we don't want to feel bogged down with information, but we do want to be as specific as possible for the information that's there. So if we do use a vertical week, we allow, I'll write this down, allow for more detailed, accurate writing room. And I think that's very cool, and I also think it's very useful. So especially when it comes to pills, in one of these days, for example, you can say Sunday, name your day, 3 blue, 3 red, 2 black. Rather than if it was vertical, rather than if it was horizontal, you wouldn't have the room to write. So vertical week leads to this, horizontal week does not lead to that. Okay. And so yeah, so I want to do, oh, and then above, obviously, I guess I'll draw it one more time. I want to have, let's see, Vitabro, cute, obviously once again, open, taken, closed, not taken. We'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we'll have a correlation down here. And then Monday will have its description and check. Description, check. Wednesday through Thursday, taken. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have a box. And this is the part that I really wanted to draw out, but I figured this is a shorter, simpler way to do this piece right now. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. Is that yes, pills taken. And for the open spots, I want these to be scanner recognition for pillbox, which then leads to a check. So I'll draw this out really shortly. I want on the inside of one of these pills here, for example, I'll get right nice and big and close. I want the underside of these pillboxes. I want you to see either a barcode or a QR code. This is a QR code. Just going to write under the camera here. And this will basically unlock / check the daily box. So the cool thing about this is that this is like a physical and digital assurance that you've taken your daily vitamin or whatever you need to take. And I think that's a part that gets lost. I really want to expand on this further, but it's fine, just for an exercise today. I wanted to show that all of these digital experiences here, they're open, but the underside of these boxes is a missed opportunity when it comes to recognizing that, hey, there's a physical way of connecting to the digital experience to confirm. It's basically a confirmation. I'm going to write down hashtag confirmation. Confirm that. Why does that look so bad? It's all because it's written really bad. Hashtag confirm. It's a physical way of confirming on the digital space that you've taken what you need to. And just the guarantee is always better when it comes to the medical stuff. So yeah, this one I thought was specific at the start, but turned out to be a little bit more general. But anyways, another day of James Explains, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Thank you.